The M10 Booker, an armored fighting vehicle by General Dynamics Land Systems, GDLS, represents a significant advancement for the United States Army, emerging victorious from the Mobile Protected Firepower program in June 2022. Developed from the GDLS Griffin II, this cutting-edge vehicle is set to bolster the Army's combat capabilities with its formidable design. The initial contract, encompassing 96 low-rate initial production (LRIP) vehicles, signifies a major milestone, with the first deliveries expected by the end of 2023. This development underscores the Army's commitment to modernizing its fleet and ensuring readiness for future challenges on the battlefield. The M10 Booker, while sometimes referred to as a light tank by certain military officers and defense media due to its design and appearance, is not officially designated as such by Army officials involved in the MPF program. Weighing approximately 42 tons, the vehicle is primarily designed to serve as an assault gun, rather than a traditional tank. Its role emphasizes mobility, firepower, and protection, making it a versatile asset on the battlefield. This distinction highlights the nuanced nature of modern military vehicles, tailored to meet specific operational requirements and strategic objectives. The M10 Booker is an armored vehicle intended to support our infantry brigade combat teams by suppressing and destroying fortifications, weapon systems, and trench routes, and then providing protection against enemy armored vehicles, said Major Gen. Glenn Dean, Army Ground Combat Systems Program Executive Officer. Derived from the Austrian-Spanish ASCOD infantry fighting vehicle platform, the GDLS Griffin I emerged as a contender under the U.S. Army's Mobile Protected Firepower (MPF) program. To meet the program's caliber requirements, it was equipped with a 105mm M35 tank gun and featured a redesigned chassis for enhanced performance and durability. This adaptation underscored GDLS's commitment to delivering a formidable and agile armored fighting vehicle tailored to the Army's evolving operational needs. The M35, originally designed and developed by Bennett Laboratories at Watervliet Arsenal in 1983, was initially intended for the Marine Corps' Mobile Protected Gun program. Subsequently, it found its way into the Army's M8 Armored Gun System light tank, a project that was ultimately canceled in 1996. Notably, the M35 is approximately 1,800 pounds, 816 kilograms, lighter than the M68 gun used on the M60 tank, showcasing its versatility and adaptability across different military platforms. In December 2018, General Dynamics Land Systems, GDLS, and BAE Systems were down-selected to develop prototypes for the Mobile Protected Firepower program. GDLS unveiled its first prototype in April 2020, showcasing its innovative design and capabilities. However, BAE's M8 Armored Gun System proposal was disqualified in March 2022, leaving GDLS as the sole contender. In a major victory for GDLS, the company won the Mobile Protected Firepower program competition in June 2022, securing a contract worth up to $1.14 billion to further develop and deliver the M10 Booker armored fighting vehicle to the United States Army. The Mobile Protected Firepower (MPF) program's armored fighting vehicle was officially designated the M10 Booker in June 2023, honoring the legacies of two American soldiers. The name pays tribute to Private Robert D. Booker, who was posthumously awarded the Medal of Honor for his bravery and sacrifice during the Tunisian campaign of World War II, where he lost his life on 9 April 1943. Additionally, the designation honors Staff Sergeant Stephen Booker, who was posthumously awarded the Distinguished Service Cross for his valor during a Thunder Run in the 2003 invasion of Iraq, where he was killed on 5 April 2003. The naming of the M10 Booker serves as a poignant reminder of the courage and sacrifice exhibited by these two soldiers in service to their country. The U.S. Army has announced plans to procure up to 504 M10 Booker armored fighting vehicles, with all units allocated to light divisions within the active duty and National Guard. This strategic decision underscores the Army's commitment to enhancing the mobility, firepower, and protection capabilities of its light divisions, ensuring they are well-equipped to meet the challenges of modern warfare. The allocation of the M10 Booker to these divisions is part of a broader effort to modernize the Army's armored fleet and improve its overall combat readiness. ensuring that it remains a dominant force on the battlefield. The 82nd Airborne Division is poised to make history as the first unit to be equipped with the M10 Booker armored fighting vehicle, with 33 units slated to enter the Fort Liberty motor pools in late FY25. Initially, the division will field a battalion of M10s, organized into 3 companies. These vehicles will be managed as a divisional asset, with commanders having the flexibility to assign the M10 equipped battalion to support specific infantry brigade combat teams, IBCTs, based on mission objectives. This deployment marks a significant step forward in enhancing the 82nd Airborne Division's operational capabilities and readiness for a variety of contingencies. The distribution of armored vehicles within the 82nd Airborne Division's Infantry Brigade Combat Teams, IBCTs, is a dynamic process, with various configurations being considered. The vehicles could be evenly spread among the IBCTs, or 2 companies might be assigned to a single IBCT, while another is held in reserve, among other possibilities. This decision-making process reflects the Army's ongoing transition, as of 2023, from brigades to divisions as the primary tactical unit of action. This transition underscores the Army's commitment to enhancing its operational flexibility and readiness in response to evolving threats and mission requirements. As the U.S. Army undergoes a transition from brigades to divisions as the tactical unit of action, decisions regarding the allocation of armored vehicles within the 82nd Airborne Division's Infantry Brigade Combat Teams, IBCTs, are becoming increasingly important. Various distribution strategies are being considered, including the possibility of evenly spreading the vehicles among the IBCTs, assigning 2 companies to a single IBCT while keeping another in reserve, or exploring other combinations. This strategic planning reflects the Army's commitment to enhancing its operational flexibility and readiness in response to evolving threats and mission requirements, ensuring that its forces remain agile and effective in a rapidly changing global landscape.